Okay, so I promised to go over a project overview, and here we're gonna get a little theoretical. The reason I wanted to do this is to kind of show you why the high quality data on this project is super important. And it's really easy to do that actually if I explain to you how the researchers that get your data are going to be using it. You see, the data that you provide and the data that you write, after it passes our quality checks, goes directly to researchers at leading companies in the world. And they're going to use what you write to train their AI model. I want to explain a little bit about how we're going to be doing that. So we have the AI. This is the chatbot that you actually talk to. If you go to ChatGPT or to Claude or to any LLM of your choice, this is what you're talking to. So the AI is called the chatbot. What's interesting is the chatbot actually interfaces, it interacts with another model, the machine learning model. You see, they're both machine learning models, but think of it this way. The AI, the chatbot, is kind of like Siri, it's what you're talking to, and the machine learning model is the processor. It's what's actually making all the thoughts and the decisions, and it's actually what you will train. The high quality data that you write trains the machine learning model, and that actually improves and trains the chatbot that you talk to. And so the data that we work here today on is actually going to help increase the bandwidth or the loop of the machine learning model in terms of its ability to improve the chatbot that you talk to. Okay, I got really scientific there, but why am I telling you this? You see, the chatbot produces responses. It's what talks to you. The machine learning model evaluates responses. Remember how I said it's the thing inside that's making the decisions? Well, sometimes it can make two responses and it has to decide, hey, is response A or response B better? What's going to make the user happier? What's going to be more helpful? And that, when it makes a decision, is what the chatbot talks to you and at what it says. So, for example, if I ask Siri, what are the directions to the nearest grocery store? It may come up with two different responses, and it'll have to decide what's the better one that's going to make me happier. So the high quality data that you write helps the model evaluate what's a better response. And therefore, your work is actually going to improve the quality of model responses that people use all over the world. And so that's why we're actually doing this project, and that's what you are going to be doing. And so I know we got a little bit too theoretical. It's not really what we see every day when we're tasking, but I'm hoping to motivate you about why high quality data is incredibly important, because it's going to be very similar to the workflow that you use to help models evaluate and produce better responses.